Hey everyone, Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to AI PodVids, a powerful AI tool that helps you create podcast-style short videos in just a few minutes without showing your face, using a camera, or doing any editing. With AI PodVids, all you have to do is enter a keyword, choose your style and characters, and the system creates the entire video for you, including the conversation, AI voices, visuals, captions, and call to action elements. What I really like is that it's built specifically for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, so everything is already optimized for engagement and visibility. It also works in almost any niche, whether you're building your own brand, promoting affiliate offers, or creating content for clients. In the next part of this video, I'm going to walk you through the full funnel and explain each of the OTO upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting and whether they're worth it. After that, I'll take you inside the dashboard for a live demo and show you how AI PodVids works step by step. So let's start by breaking down the funnel and the OTOs right now. The front-end offer gives you the core AI PodVids system, where you can turn simple keywords into complete podcast-style short videos with AI voices, visuals, captions, and built-in branding. This is perfect if you're just getting started and want to create faceless content for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok without any technical skills. After that, you'll see OTO 1, AI PodVids Pro, which removes most of the limits and unlocks unlimited creations, HD exports, longer videos, custom avatars, and advanced traffic tools for scaling faster. Next is OTO 2, MasterMode, designed for agencies and serious creators. This lets you create multi-speaker conversations, use advanced voice cloning, upload your own scripts, switch camera angles, and produce both vertical and landscape podcast videos with full commercial rights. Then you have OTO 3, Street Speak AI, which focuses on creating street interview-style videos that feel raw, natural, and highly engaging, helping you build trust and social proof without filming anything. After that comes OTO 4, Click Agent AI, where you can build automated AI-powered sales rooms with talking avatars that explain, answer questions, and convert visitors using one simple link. Finally, there's OTO 5, the reseller license, which allows you to resell AI PodVids as your own software, manage clients, and keep 100% of the profits without handling support. And if you want the best overall value, you can choose the all-access bundle, which includes the front end, all upgrades, bonuses, and training in one complete package. As soon as I log in to AI PodVids, the first thing I see is a pop-up explaining the credit consumption rate, which clearly states that one video clip of 8 seconds equals 60 credits. So right away, I understand how the system works and how my credits will be used. After accepting the policy agreements, I move on to create my first video, where the project name is set by default as Untitled Podcast, but I can easily rename it to match my niche. For this demo, I'm selecting Duodynamics as the podcast format, which gives the video a more dynamic interaction between the host and the guest, making the conversation feel more natural and engaging. Next, I choose the podcast characters by selecting one character for the host and setting the personality to friendly, so the tone feels approachable and conversational. And for the guest, I choose an AI guru personality to position the content as authoritative and expert-driven. After that, I move to the video settings section, where I configure the technical aspects of the pod video by choosing the aspect ratio, either 9:16 vertical, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or 16:9 horizontal, which is available in MasterMode for traditional YouTube-style videos. And for this example, I'll stick with vertical since short-form content performs best. Finally, I confirm the language as English, and the platform shows an expected video length of 24 seconds, which helps me understand how long the final podcast clip will be before generating it. Next, I choose my niche by selecting AI and technology from the drop-down menu, although you can also type in your own custom topic if you prefer. After that, I move to the interview style or template section, where you can choose the format and tone of your interview. And for this demo, I select the Would You Rather style, which is a choose between options format that makes the content more engaging and interactive. Then there's an option to integrate a product or service mentioned into the interview, and I enable it so I can promote AI PodVids directly inside the conversation, where I enter the product name, add a short description explaining what it does, and include a call to action like visit my site to learn more, to naturally blend the promotion into the script. With one click, I let the platform generate AI-powered questions and answers. Next, I choose or define my studio environment, where you can upload your own background, select one of the saved studios, generate one with AI, or simply pick a pre-built option, which is what I do for this example. Next, I generate the portraits of host and guest in my custom studio. Then, generate individual scene videos. Click Generate Video on each scene to create the video.
Would you rather lose your smartphone or your laptop?
Definitely my laptop. At least my phone fits in my pocket.
But think about all the work on your laptop.
True, but I can still access everything on my phone. So would you rather give up tech entirely or only use outdated tech?
That's tough, but I think I'd choose outdated tech, even if it's clunky.
Next is the timeline editor, where you can trim, split, and reorder your clips before stitching. You can also enable captions and background music. Once you are ready, combine all your scenes into a final polished video with captions in one click.
Definitely my laptop. At least my phone fits in my pocket.
But think about all the work.
Video stitched successfully. Proceed to step 5 to download your final video. Here you can download the video, generate social media hooks, and download the thumbnail. Save, and let's see the result.
Would you rather lose your smartphone or your laptop?
Definitely my laptop. At least my phone fits in my pocket.
But think about all the work on your laptop.
True, but I can still access everything on my phone. So would you rather give up tech entirely or only use outdated tech?
That's tough, but I think I'd choose outdated tech, even if it's clunky.
There are plenty of pre-made characters available, but you can also create your own custom character or even make a clone, which I personally did by uploading a picture to create mine. To test further, I create another podcast with Zero host and myself as the only guest in the Make Money Online niche, and the app automatically generates the script first and then proceeds to create the scenes, showing how flexible the system is for different content styles.
Stop chasing every online money-making scheme. It's overwhelming and leads to zero results. The truth is, most schemes distract you from building real, sustainable skills that pay. Focus on genuine value creation instead. That's how real wealth online is built.
Now let me show you another example I created, and after that, you'll be able to watch the vendor's full walkthrough, all the bonuses you'll get through my link, and check out more sample videos at the very end so you can see exactly what this app is capable of.
Is self-improvement really necessary for everyone?
Not everyone needs it.
Yeah, no.
But most can benefit from some level of growth.
What's the biggest misconception about self-improvement?
People think it's a quick fix.
Yeah.
It's actually a lifelong commitment.
Yes.
Hey, welcome to the demo video of AI PodVids. It's the best AI podcast tool ever created online. So let me show you how it works. These are all the pre-built characters still. Now let us build a character from scratch. You can clone your face. You can create a custom character. You can even upload a character. Then you can also clone your voice. Okay, so let me show you how to create a custom character first. Here you can write the name of a character. Let's say Austin. You know, to be male or maybe a wellness coach. Here you can give all the details about what kind of outfit you want them to wear, the colors, all the specific, anything that you want. And then you can select you want him as a guest or both. So let's select both so that I can show you how it works. Then click on create both characters. And in some time, you'll create a character. Let me show you a few other examples. Okay, this is Lisa that I created a few hours back. Here, I uploaded the image of Lisa and I created with the host site and the guest site. Okay, so let me show you also how to clone your face. Meanwhile, the characters are getting generated. Okay, so here we are going to upload one of our pic. Let me use Gaurav's pic. Let's try one of the sunglasses. Okay. Open. Let's call him Gary. We are just going to create guest site for this. Okay, I want to keep the same outfit, did the same t-shirt and a blazer. You can give more directions, but I'm just going to keep it this much only. Create podcast character. Okay, so the Austin host is ready to go and get the carry that's updated by putting an image. It's look perfect, man. It looks exactly like the image we uploaded, and he's looking cool. Okay, now let me show you how we create a podcast here. We go and click on create pod, and there are 3 formats here. I mean, solo spotlight, URL mix. I'm going to show you these 2. So just name it Malan. Okay. So we're going to create a solo spotlight where there will be a solo podcaster, and it's great for one voice, one song, opinion, like authority-based content, monologues. So let's select the character that we just created. Let's select Gary. Let's do it for 24. Let's go and click on next. Now niche, we selected finance. I can just go and directly select finance, or now here you can actually type a keyword, whatever keyword you want. So our topic was personal finance. Let's put personal finance only here. So what kind of content we want? These are all the kind of templates that go viral on social medias, and we created all of these for you. So let's select this. Stop believing this. You can even interview your product if you want to promote something by enabling here. You can add a product name, product details, call to action, but we're not going to do this here. Now just click on generate script. So here is our script for 2 clips. Stop believing that budgeting is punishment. Okay, this looks great. You can even go and edit this. You can delete this. You can add your own script lines here. Now you can use a default studio, or we can upload our own, or you can and use one of the app studio there, or you can even generate studio with AI. Okay, there are 19 different kind of studio. Let's just go with a normal default one. In the Duo, I will show you how the kind of studios work. Let's click on next. This is Gary, our default studio. Let's prepare the scenes. There are 3 scenes. We are going to generate them one by one. Okay, so our first clip is ready. So let me generate the other 2 clips, and then I'm going to show you how to make other adjustment. Okay, so all our clips are ready. So let's go to the next step. And now here we can go and listen to our script, how it came out. You can add the captions, you can add background music. We can also add voice customization. Let me first do one thing. Let's go and enable the captions. I can increase the size, decrease the size. I can select the bold, and I can change the text color. We can also change the position. Then we'll change the color actually. Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path to financial freedom. And the damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Shift your mindset. View budgeting as a tool to design your ideal life, not a restriction. Okay, so what we can do, even also go and trim it. And if you don't want something here, we can just trim it out. Financial freedom. The damage comes when you associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Okay, I go on this pass. I'm just going to trim it out. Okay, now next we can go and we can add background music that are pre-loaded here. Let me select this one. I want this one. I really like this one. The music is 25. And now I'm just going to stitch the video. Then if I stitch the video, this will come out as a single complete video. But you can even select one of our clone voice. Okay, let's say I want to use my own voice here. Let's say Gaurav. So let me click on process so it will change its voice to Gaurav's original voice. Okay, let's hear it out.
Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path.
It looks exactly like him. It sounds exactly like him. So let's change this as well. Okay. And let's change this as well.
The damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and...
Okay, now let's stretch it and see the final output. This looks really amazing. Okay, so the final video has come out and it looks great. It looks like Gary. It sounds like him. I'm going to add this at the end of this demo video. Okay, so you can watch that. And here you can also generate hooks for different social media. So this is a title you can use while posting it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. You can use a description, YouTube tags, hashtags. If you want to regenerate it, then regenerate it. Okay, so next, let me show you how to create a podcast in the duo mode, which is best for two people in a studio for debates, question and answer, or controversy, those kind of podcasts. So let me name this as Dio Test or something. Okay, I'm going to select a host for this and a guest for this. Select for the guest. This select him. We want 16 seconds for this one, so I can show you quickly. And click on next. Niche at the end, I'm just going to select a predefined niche. Let's say business and entrepreneurship. So these are different kind of templates for duo mode, debate mode, question and answer, pick a side. Let's select agree or disagree. Most successful business begin with a great idea. That's a common win. Execution matters far more than the idea itself. Okay, so I just overread that. So this looks great. You can also regenerate it if you want. And let me select one of the studio we already have inside this app. Let us select. This looks pretty cool. Now let's go to next. Now this will generate our host and our guest inside the same studio. Okay, so that came up great. She's in the studio, Nere is in the studio, Tabro is in the studio as a guest. Now let's go and prepare the scenes. Click on generate video. And once this is generated, I'm going to generate this. Then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so both the clips are ready. And again, it's said in the timeline editor. We can disable or enable the caption. So let's change the size. I'm going to keep this at the bottom this time. Let's increase stroke. Let's change the highlight color to this. Maybe use yellow. Okay, now for the background music. Let's select this one. And I'd like to keep it 25%. I'm not going to do the voice customization. Let's use the voice that came out with the clip. And let's see if we need any trimming. Okay, it's pitched successfully. Let's go and check out the final video and how it came out. Yeah. Most it for more. Okay, this looks great. I'm going to add this at the end of this demo so you can check it out. Okay, again, can go and generate the hooks, hashtags, description, title, and everything to post it on the social media. And it's all related to code. Also, you can go and check your project here, the completed project or your draft project. And you can see all the clips are generated that you can favorite and use them in your all the projects. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you really like the demo video and go and get a copy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you inside.
Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path to financial freedom. The damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Shift your mindset. View budgeting as a tool to design your ideal life, not a restriction.
Most successful businesses begin with a great idea.
That's a common myth.
Yeah.
Execution matters far more than the idea itself.
So ideas are overrated in the business world?
Absolutely. It's the ability to adapt and execute that truly defines success.
If you're about to grab AI PodVids, wait, because the bonus package I'm giving you today takes this system to a whole new level. You're not just getting software, you're getting a complete content, traffic, and monetization toolkit designed to help you turn podcast shorts into authority, followers, and income much faster. Bonus 1, the AI-driven 3D avatar creation platform. Create professional talking avatars and branded videos to boost trust and conversions for your AI PodVids content. Bonus 2, the AI-powered faceless Instagram growth engine. Turn your podcast clips into daily Instagram traffic and grow faceless pages on full automation. Bonus 3, the AI-powered faceless YouTube channel creator. Build viral faceless YouTube channels from your AI PodVids shorts with optimized scripts, titles, and thumbnails. Bonus 4, the premium agentic AI business automation platform. Automate follow-ups, sales, and client management once your videos start generating traffic. Bonus 5, the AI-powered 8K movie creator. Upgrade your clips into cinematic promos and high-converting storytelling videos. Bonus 6, the most in-demand AI creation suite. Create high-quality visuals, avatars, and edits to enhance your branding and marketing. Bonus 7, the Advanced AI App Collection. Access a complete set of AI tools to scale your content and client services. Bonus 8, unlimited AI hosting on NVIDIA GPU servers. Host funnels, pages, and assets for your AI PodVids campaigns with fast, secure performance. And that's not all. You'll also get my exclusive bonuses, a complete vault of additional AI tools covering video creation, editing and ranking, social media traffic automation, content production, ebook and podcast creation, graphic design, AI coaches, autoresponders, cloud storage, QR generators, 20+ AI assistants, and funnel and website creation tools. On top of that, you'll receive the vendor bonuses, including official trainings, extra apps, and resources from the AI PodVids team to help you get results faster. This entire bonus package alone is worth more than the price of AI PodVids, but it's yours completely free when you purchase through my link. Click the link in the description now and lock in all these bonuses before they're gone. Now, let's dive into everything you're getting. Click the link in the description box for all the bonus details. Here's a preview for you. Alright, so to wrap this up, overall, I think AI PodVids is a very smart tool for anyone who wants to stay consistent with short-form content without the pressure of recording or editing. What really stood out to me the most is the keyword to podcast engine. The fact that you can type in a simple keyword and instantly get a structured, engaging conversation with AI voices, visuals, and captions is impressive. It removes the hardest part of content creation, coming up with ideas and scripting, and turns it into a repeatable system you can scale. If you're serious about building authority with Shorts, Reels, or TikTok without showing your face, this is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and walkthroughs. Also drop a comment below and let me know what you think about AI PodVids or if you have any questions. And if you want to learn more about the product or grab your copy, click the link in the description below. Everything you need is right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Some people believe everyone should chip in on household chores.
I think chores should be assigned based on who creates the mess.
But sharing chores teaches teamwork and responsibility.
Or it creates resentment and unequal workloads. That's not fair.
So you're saying chores should be a personal responsibility?
Exactly. Accountability leads to a cleaner, more harmonious home.
Everyone says faceless AI content is dead.
It is if it's lazy. Robotic voices, plastic avatars, zero emotion. People smell fake instantly.
But podcasts still work.
Because they feel real. They sound like thinking out loud. Opinions, disagreement, brain treat is as truth, not marketing.
And AI podcasts failed at that?
Badly. Scripted narration like reading from a script. Plastic avatars, no flow, no tension, no emotion.
So what's changed? What works now?
AI PodVids, real faces, natural expressions, emotional voices, engineered to gain trust and build authority.
How do I buy it? This is crazy.
Launching 18th Feb 2026. Grab access the moment doors open.
Society is obsessed with success at any cost. That mindset is damaging, not just for individuals, but for everyone around them.
But isn't ambition necessary for progress?
Right. Ambition without ethics leads to a toxic society where compassion is lost.
The PS5 isn't just a console. It's a leap forward in gaming immersion. This isn't about graphics alone. It's the seamless experience that redefines how we play.
Ultimately, the PS5 challenges us to rethink what gaming can truly be. Embrace the change.
Motivation isn't a constant feeling. It's a choice you make every single day.
What's the worst financial mistake 20 to 30-year-olds make?
They inflate lifestyle before building assets.
Right.
Income rises, expenses rise faster.
They upgrade cars, rent habits first. They delay investing. Time passes, compounding weakens. Freedom gets postponed unnecessarily.
So what should they focus on instead?
Build assets early.
Yeah.
Keep expenses controlled.
Yeah.
Invest consistently. Let time work quietly in your favor.
Using work as an excuse to avoid relationships is a common shield against vulnerability. But here's the thing. This mindset often leads to isolation and missed opportunities for growth.
It's not that work is unimportant. It's how we prioritize connection that truly matters.
Embracing relationships can enhance your work life, offering support and new perspectives.
So the real question is, are you avoiding relationships or are you avoiding your own fears?
Most successful businesses begin with a great idea.
That's a common myth.
Yeah.
Execution matters far more than the idea itself.
So ideas are overrated in the business world?
Absolutely. It's the ability to adapt and execute that truly defines success.
What is the best health advice you have heard?
Don't eat in the dark, eat in light. It balances hormones.
Why does eating in light matter?
Light regulates circadian rhythm. Your metabolism follows it. Darkness signals rest, not digestion.
What changes when you stop eating in the dark?
Sleep improves, cravings reduce, hormones stabilize, digestion feels lighter and more predictable.
Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path to financial freedom. The damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Shift your mindset. View budgeting as a tool to design your ideal life, not a restriction.